All right, switch to biblical mode. Can you analyze the book of Job for me?
Summary analysis of the book of Job. The book of Job is a biblical wisdom book that explores the suffering, faith, and the sovereignty of God. Job was a righteous man who suddenly lost his children, wealth, and health after Satan challenged his faithfulness before God. Despite intense suffering, Job continued seeking God, though he struggled with deep questions and sorrows. Though his friends believe his suffering must be punishable for sin. Though the book reveals that suffering is not always the result of personal wrongdoing. Men listen. Righteous people can still suffer. Faith is tested during hardship. Human beings cannot fully understand God's purpose. God desires trust even in difficult seasons. Compassion is better than judgment towards suffering. The book of Job teaches that true faith remains steadfast even when life becomes painful and confusing. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.